Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and delete all viruses on your iPhone. iPhones are generally secure, but unsafe websites and downloads can still cause problems. So let's dive in. Step 1. Clear Safari website data. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Now, find Safari in the list and open it. A lot of security issues start from fake pop-ups or unsafe websites visited through Safari. To deal with that, scroll all the way down and tap Advanced. Next, tap on Website Data at the top. Here you'll see a list of all websites that have stored data on your device, including any suspicious ones. To clear everything, tap Remove All Website Data. This removes stored cookies and site data and is one of the most important steps to protect your phone. Step 2. Check downloaded files. Now let's make sure nothing suspicious was downloaded. Swipe to the app library and search for the Files app. Open Files, tap on My iPhone, and then open the Downloads folder. Carefully look through the files here. If you see anything you don't recognize or don't remember downloading, it's best to remove it. For extra safety, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner, choose Select, tap Select All, and then hit the trash icon to delete everything. Step 3. Update your iPhone software. Next, go back to Settings and tap General. Then select Software Update. Keeping your iPhone updated is very important because Apple regularly releases security patches that protect your device. If an update is available, install it. Also, tap Automatic Updates and make sure Automatically Install is turned on. This helps keep your iPhone protected without manual checks. Step 4. Restart your iPhone. After completing these steps, restart your phone. Press and hold the volume up button and the side button, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds and turn your iPhone back on. And that's it. Your iPhone should now be clean and secure. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.